Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of LastCast Outdoors, and I'm so happy you guys are here today. So today is finally the big day. Fishing trip and camping trip all in one. We'll be doing this for 3 days straight, but before we go on the trip, I have to go to work and then we'll head up. But currently it is 5 o'clock in the morning, and once I come back from work, I'll give you a little bit more information about what's going on. See you soon. Alright guys, I finished my day of work and it went by pretty quickly. So the game plan is now I gotta head back to my place, pick up all my stuff. My dad should be there too, so we'll put his stuff in my car. And then we might take a couple pit stops here and there because it's gonna be anywhere from a 2.5 hour to 3 hour drive. We won't be able to get to the cabin till late. I might do a little montage and then I will see you guys at the cabin. See you soon. Alright guys, we finally made it to the cabin. It was a long, scary journey, but we finally made it. It's extremely late at night and it's really cold. As you saw in the montage that it was snowing and it got really bad. So we do have some snow up here. I will be doing a little cabin tour. Let's start with the front entrance. As you can tell, we didn't get our key because we came way too late. So we made this makeshift thing to make sure no bears or anyone wants to break into our camp. So that's pretty nice. It's really strong, not going anywhere. So this is more of it. Got your fly swatter, a broom, dustpan, chair. I mean, it's a super nice chair. Couch. And we got our dinner table. And then we got our little heater. Not doing much, but it's doing something. We got this super high quality stove. Got this nice brand new fridge. It's fully stocked. This is our kitchen area. So we got our sink. It's got some drawers, cabinets to put goodies in. Now, let's go into the bathroom. Okay, so here's the front entrance. Got a nice toilet. Got a little, I don't know what that is. That's, I don't know. Got a nice mirror. Got a little vanity thing. Got your little chair basket. I don't know why. We got towels. We got a tiny, and I mean tiny shower. Super tiny. This is my bedroom. Not creepy at all. Super homey. You know, I got 2 windows. That's good. This is my dad's bedroom. It's just like mine, but a little bit more creepy. That is everything what we have here. It's not much, but it's something. Tomorrow will be our first day of fishing, which will be very exciting. But this video is gonna be a lot different from my normal videos. I love going camping. It's one of my favorite things. I wish I could do it at least once a week, honestly. So this video is not gonna be like me going straight to the lake and going fishing like my normal videos. It's gonna be vlogging as well, so I can like look back, and I hope you guys enjoy this type of video. And I think you guys will enjoy it. I think me and my dad were exhausted, so we're gonna hit the sack and then I will see you guys in the morning. Good morning, guys. It is day 1 of our little camping trip. Woke up around 6:30. I slept really good. It was extremely cold. Our heater decided not to work, so it was like probably 40 degrees in here. It was freezing. But I woke up pretty early. Worked on some of the video. Then we made some breakfast. We had some eggs and toast. And now we're going to a store and seeing what they got. And let's start heading out. Alright guys, we got some snow. The lake is right in front of us. We are gonna go to the store and look at some stuff. See if we're gonna buy anything. Alright guys, here is the store. We're gonna go in and see what we can get.
everything.
Yep, that's everything. Awesome.
Maybe I'll go through a mid-life. Alright guys, we are all done. Spent $30. Got some cool stuff. Let's head back to the cabin. Alright. There we go. We got one. We got one. We got one. Oh, dude, he's put up such a good fight. He smoked it. First fish of the day, let's go. Alright guys, first rainbow of the day. Freaking zombie rainbow. Poor little guy, he is absolutely torn up.
Alright guys, we are back from our little trip. It decided to start snowing, of course, but we managed to catch one really torn up rainbow trout. I've never seen a rainbow like that, but now me and my dad are just going to have some lunch, maybe take a nap, play games. I might work on this video a little bit. And then hopefully by the afternoon we'll go back out and catch some more fish. Alright guys, it is time to get back out there and do some more fishing. My dad took a little nap. I worked on more of the video. We're going to try a different spot this time. The weather is still really iffy. I kind of figured today would be just a rough day. So we're going to hopefully try to catch like one or two at least. So wish us luck.
What the? I got a fish. I got a fish. Whoa. Hold on. Hold on just a darn tootin' second. What is this? Alright guys, look at this. My first ever lake trout. That is so awesome. They're so pretty. Let's let them go. Take it. Bite. There he goes. He ate it. This is a good one. Let's keep him on. Let's keep him on. That one felt really good on the hook set. And he's pulling drag. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's powerful rainbow. That's a powerful rainbow. Here we go, come on. Just pulling a little bit of drag. Let's see what we got. Oh yeah, another healthy rainbow. Oh, this one's nice. This one might be the biggest one. Oh, it's like a football, dude. All right, look at that. Perfect looking rainbow trout, very healthy, easily over 12 inches. Let's let them go. All right, we are going to be throwing a worm and a bobber. The water is very calm and I can actually see them surfacing. Let's give it a go. Oh, he's already taken it. Come on, bite it. Got him. Looks like a little guy. Yay, first fish of the day. All right, first fish of day 2, a nice little rainbow trout. Let him go. Oh, got one. Got one. I don't think this is a rainbow. This looks like something else. I think it's a brown trout. The brownie. All right, look at that. My first brown trout here. Super healthy, really nice size. Put up a really good fight. Let's let him go. All right, guys, we're here at the new spot. It's about 30 minutes away from our current location. Just wanted to give it a try. There is some rainbow trout, tiger trout, and maybe some other type of trout, but those are mostly the 2 main trout in here. Alright guys, the wind picked up. I pulled out the power bait. We're going to be throwing a spinner for a little bit until the wind calms down, or if it ever does. I just got my favorite Panther Martin on, black body with yellow dots, gold blade. Alright guys, I'm going to be throwing on this rooster tail. Let's give it a go. Got him. On the drop. On the drop. Crazy fight on this guy. Pole's bent halfway. He's pin up a good fight. I did see yellow, so this might be a tiger. Yep. Yeah, it's not a tiger. It's not a tiger. It's a brownie. All right, check that out. A very healthy brown trout. Let's let him go. My dad caught a really nice sucker. Cue dramatic music. My dad caught a freaking sucker. Really cool looking fish. Look at that. Let's let him go. Got one. Oh, that's a good fight. Is this a brown trout then? This looks like a brownie. All right, guys, caught a little brown trout. Let's let him go.
All right, guys, we are all done fishing. We went to Fish Lake for a little bit, caught a couple fish, and then we went to a new lake. I forgot the name, but I'll put the name right here. And we did really good there. It was a lot of fun. The weather was a little iffy, but we caught some really good sized fish. My dad caught a sucker on accident, so that was pretty funny. But I have some family coming over pretty soon. They have some cabins up here, so I'll just be hanging out with them and we'll see what happens. See you guys soon. Good morning, everyone. Pretty nice outside. It's still cold. The sunrise is barely coming up. The water looks pretty good. We're gonna do some early morning fishing. I'm gonna pack all my fishing stuff, grab some breakfast, and hurry and head out to the lake and catch some fish. I'll see you guys there. Oh, gonna bite. Got him. There we go, first fish of the day. Hopefully he stays on. There is a weed line, so he's probably stuck in it right now, or it's just a really good fish. Let's see what we got. No, that looks like a good fish to me. Huh. I don't know what it is. Let's find out. Gotta get on my sketchy rock. Oh, no, I ain't getting on that rock. Oh, gonna bite. Whoa. There we go, we got him. My line slipped a little bit. It wasn't on the bail all the way. All right, look at that. This is a really pretty rainbow. Nice pattern on him. Let's let him go. Oh, getting a bite. Come on, take it. There he goes. Oh, he really wanted that. Got him. Dude, let's go. We beat the boat. We beat the boat. Yeah, I caught a fish. Yep. I think this boat's good luck. Every time it passes me, I catch a fish. Gotta get through that weed. Ooh, this one feels really good. All right, another
Healthy rainbow trout, nice and wild, pretty pattern on it. Let's let this guy go. All right, so I'm gonna go check on my dad. He might be in the cabin sleeping or he might be fishing. If not, we're gonna go to another spot where he went and his brother went, and they did really good when it was snowing. So it's a little bit deeper, they said. So let's go find my dad and head over to the new spot. All right, guys, we're at the new spot with my dad and my uncle. My uncle's been doing pretty good. Let's try to catch some. They've been surfacing at bank. So let's give it a go. I'll surprise Ken with the football. Surprise Ken with the football. Bombs away. Like to, but which one? Over on the other side. I wish. That's where it really drops off. This one gradually drops off, but there it just boom drops. It's like the twice the size as our bubble. You gotta get a running start.
What does that happen on? That happens on like, are we there yet? And he throws something and it's...
Drop your line down a little bit more. You can get more.
Those Happy Gilmore.
Oh! Oh, whoa, okay. Got him. We doubled up? No. Oh. This is a nice one. All right, guys, we caught a really nice, healthy rainbow trout. Big guy. Let's let him go. Dude, that's a medium too.
It's moving. Where's that net?
I got it. I'll get you. It's gonna be crossing your line.
Hopefully it'll go underneath his line.
Is your drag tight?
Yeah.
Dang. Ooh, don't like that.
There he is.
Oh, dude, that's big. That's big. Dude, that's big. Dude, that's a monster. That's a Laker. That's a Laker.
Get over on that lower rock.
Yep. Give me your tip. Oh, that's big. Oh. You can't fit in the net. He's hooked on the lip. Oh, dude, that's massive.
Oh, crap.
Dude, that.
You need mine.
I'm gonna need big boys. All right, guys. My dad caught this massive lake trout. Dad, how big's the lake trout? 21-inch lake trout. So I'm going. Alright guys, I'm going to be throwing a pistol Pete fly. They are surfacing a little bit. Let's give it a go. One just surfaced right there. There he goes. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Alright guys, caught a little rainbow trout on a black woolly booger. Let's let him go.
Alright guys, we are done for our camping trip. I had a blast. We caught so many fish. We caught a new species, a lake trout, and I caught a lot of other trouts. We went to a different lake. Me and my dad had a lot of fun here. It was a good bonding moment, and it was nice to see my other part of my family. And me and my dad were talking, and we were thinking about renting a boat next time, because you kind of need a boat for this place. But other than that, I had a lot of fun camping here with my dad. And if you guys did like this video and the underwater footage, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment. And hopefully another day we can do another camping trip. See you guys next time. See ya.